Welcome to the Earth Eats Test Kitchen. I'm Heather, and today we're making pineapple freezies.
And I am Felix.
Hi, Felix.
Hi, Heather. Heather, what is a pineapple freezie?
Well, it's almost like a slushie or a popsicle, perfect for a hot summer day, and it's made with this.
What
It's a
is
pineapple.
that? Heather, can I touch it?
You can. Be careful. It'll poke you.
Yeah, that was pointy.
Well, inside it's really good.
Oh, can we use that for the pineapple freezies?
We can. I'm going to use crushed pineapple. It's much easier.
Okay.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of crushed pineapple, just a little,
Okay.
and it's okay if some of the juice gets in there.
Okay.
It's really good.
Oh, I bet. Look at that. That looks delicious.
It is delicious. And I'm going to put it in here, but be careful.
What are you putting it in,
I'm
Heather?
putting this pineapple in this little food processor.
And what is a food processor?
It chops it up really small, like you're making ice cream.
Ice cream. Oh, I love ice cream. When it's hot outside, I eat tons of ice cream.
Well, that's good because today we're going to make these little popsicles. They're really super easy. You just add a little bit of sugar and a little bit of coconut extract.
I love coconut extract.
Really simple. And in a minute, I'm going to make a big noise, and then we'll be done.
Okay.
Really easy.
Should I cover my ears?
Maybe.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
I'll
are
just
you
cover one
ready?
ear. Okay.
Okay. That's it.
That's it. Oh,
And we're
that's
done.
not very loud.
Oh, it's not very loud at
No,
all.
no.
And you just take a little bit and you put it in this ice cube tray.
Oh.
Really easy.
Yeah. And then where do we put the ice cube tray?
Well, after you've put just one spoonful of pineapple in each little space, you're going to put it in the freezer.
The freezer. And
Yeah.
that's how we make the ice cube freezy.
It's so easy, and it doesn't take very long. And after it's frozen for just a little while, you're going to put these little popsicle sticks in there,
Okay.
like this.
Oh, look at that.
And that's it.
And you can eat it like a popsicle.
You can, and I've got some right now.
Heather, can we try some?
You can.
I'm really excited for these.
Well, I'm glad. I have plenty for you and for me.
Thank you, Heather.
And look, these are star-shaped.
I love stars.
Yeah, they're fun. They're really fun in the summer.
Yeah.
Yeah.